Check out this Dodge 2018 Durango GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear air conditioning and rear window defroster. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.